Hello everybody. First off, I'd like to thank the Rotary for giving me the opportunity to attend this event. It's very important, especially for a first timer like me, to get their voice out and share my vision for the city with everyone. So who am I? I'm Devon Sethna. I'm a published author, a Nordonia graduate, certified firefighter in EMT, and a student at Kent State. But most importantly, I am here as a candidate for Macedonia City Council, as a write-in. And I'm here to shake up the council with a new perspective and fresh energy, and zero baggage. Now, I may be the youngest face here, but I know our sidewalks, I know our schools, our parks, because, well, I've grown up here. Macedonia has shaped my childhood, and it's played a part in who I am. And now, I want to return that favor by setting the city up for success. But what does setting the city up for success look like? Well, truth be told, it actually looks like a lot of things. I'll start with the big one, the economy. We all know the economy is the backbone of any thriving city. And one such benefit to a good economy is higher property values. Let's put this into perspective. The average property value in Macedonia is around $295,000. That's about 3% less than the national average. My plan is by mid to late 2026, not only can we reach national average, but also begin to surpass it. But it doesn't just end there. A good economy will also attract more businesses and investors, which can be further used to increase the city's tax revenue. With a higher tax revenue, that lowers the tax burden on each individual resident, resulting in you paying less taxes. So how do I plan to achieve all this? That leads right into my next point, the infrastructure. You see, infrastructure and economy go together, hand in hand, like peanut butter and jelly on a sandwich. Who doesn't love good old PBJ? Now, good infrastructure helps keep our roads repaired, sidewalks fixed, buildings intact, keeps us with clean water. All of this further attracts investments, which can once again be invested right back into our city. In fact, infrastructure could even help reduce things such as traffic buildup and help us clean off the snow in events such as the winter time. And I've seen the complaints and concerns of many Macedonians. Many people here have been living in this city for 30 plus years, and they feel that all of their taxes that they've been paid to have not been doing anything. They still feel that the buildings are not being properly maintained and well taken care of, and their tax prices keep on climbing higher. That's gotta change. Those aren't the only benefits I plan to bring to Macedonia. Another goal I seek is to help with our school board. Now I know that school board and city council are two different things, but neither operates in a vacuum. And as someone who's been a Nordonia Knight myself, I know just what the schools are like, and I know them like the back of my hand. I mean, after all, why be a Twinsburg Tiger when you could be a Nordonia Knight, am I right? But ultimately, what I want to do is I want to leave off with this. I might not be the most experienced person on the council. I might not have decades of experience or political knowledge, but I can tell you that I plan to listen first. Because at the end of the day, this is Macedonia, this is the home, and I grew up in. And I want to see it succeed, and I want to do everything I can to make it succeed. So if you share that vision, all you need to do is write my name on the ballot. You just have to write my first name, Devon. You don't even have to write my last name under Ohio law. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for all your time coming here. Because when it comes to helping the city of Macedonia, I've got a plan, and not just concepts of a plan.